back with my nostalgic 50mm lens. Nostalgic because it's my first ever lens. I got it in September 2019. I loved it when I first got it, but I have only used it once this past year. In fact, I've not used it for street photography at all the past year. Since now I remember that I have this lens, I thought, why don't I make a POV with 50mm lens? So if you want to watch me struggle, this is the video to watch. Enjoy! This morning, I woke up really early to try and do sunrise photography with my 50mm lens. So I don't usually shoot with this lens, it's my first lens. I kind of forgot that I owned it. So I thought I'll switch it up. It's kind of funny because I keep trying to zoom in. There's just no zoom, it's a prime lens. But I'm not used to it. Oh, actually, this lens is quite good for window shots because of the depth. It's 1.8. F is 1.8, so it's really cool. I love that the buildings behind, they're in the reflection. I was playing with the reflection because I thought it's cool. Oh, another window light. Perfect. What's wrong?
Slipped over filming B-roll.
Oh dear, don't want an A&E trip in the morning. I think this lens is best for the window reflection because of the depth. I don't think it's as good when you're far away from objects.
Try and get as much bokeh as you can.
Oh, bokeh, okay. Bokeh or bokeh?
One of them.
That's why I'm gonna look for windows. Oh, in the center, it will be perfect. There are loads of windows, right?
That's true.
Should we go down? I think that way would be good. Oh, this flower is nice. That's a nice flower. I wanna try and frame with the blue poles. I'm gonna focus on the rose. I'm gonna get the light in the back as well. Ta-da! I think it's good. You never know how pretty these things are until you go and take some photos. I suggest you guys to try and take photos of ordinary things, so you will be surprised how good they could be after you bring in Lightroom. Well, yes, after you bring in Lightroom and Photoshop, if possible. What are they selling? Souvenir?
Silverware?
I said souvenir. I just said souvenir.
The
and
words
you
are close, but they're not the same thing.
Yeah, I thought you were pretty much saying the same thing. I need some windows with more lights, like that one. Thankfully, we came before the shops open. I think this is a good idea. So if you want to take your time and photograph, it's always best when you come out early. This one, yeah, I thought this shop would be cool. Very cool. I'm gonna try and do sideways. Got it. Oh, that reflection is crazy. So much is going on. I really like this back. Don't really like pink, but I know, why do I like that back so much? I'm not sure. It's just looking so funny. I think I should be okay for now. I feel like I cannot get enough of this. I'm focusing on the building in the back right now. That window is actually really good too.
I love this lens for filming B-roll.
I'm jealous. I'm jealous. Emile today took my lens since I'm using a 50mm. And this one actually is harder.
You're not getting this lens back, Jess.
Oh dear. I don't know what I might do. That's probably the best thing I will ever own. Try to get a lady in the back walking down. So she's sort of being framed as well. Maybe I should just name today's series Window Shots. Oh, look at this. This is nice. I love that the buildings merge with the window. And then you can also sort of see the flower. This would have been a good lens for product photography, I think. I don't know why I didn't use it. Doing product photography from a window. That's how I'm advertising for all these shops. Oh dear.
You should go in later and show them.
Probably need to wait until I bring it into Lightroom. Do some editing, polishing.
Remove the window.
Yeah. Yeah, it's cool. I like it. 50 mm street shots with the mini in the back. Hey, what are you doing? Oh wow, the cloud's cool in the back. I love the colors here. Oh, okay, the rose. Perfect. Beautiful. I wanted to play with the lights in the back. Oh, yeah. You think I could get her? Sky is pretty again. Teddy bear. This is cool. There's actually bouquet in the back. Come see the teddy bear. There's bouquet in the back. You see it? Oh, but you're in it. Maybe. Oh no, maybe not. Oh, you're in it again. Go the other way. Go. Okay, now. Do you see it? The bouquet in the back. The thing is, I just hope.
Oh, Jesus.
What?
This one right here. I thought that was a panda like eating a bear's head, but it's a bear wearing a panda head.
Yeah. Does look kind of freaky. Right. That's so strange, this one.
I'm sure it's supposed to be innocent. It just looks a bit sinister.
Are you sure? Are you sure it's innocent? Not sure if there's anything else that I missed. Probably loads, but I could always come back. Hey, that's a cool shot just before I was about to go. Oh, how did I miss all these lights? How? Someone tell me. Okay, I'm happy to go home. We are rushing back to our car because we didn't check what time it starts ticketing. We'll find out when we get there. We made it without a ticket, so I would say that's a success. Oh yeah. We are now relieved. Time to go home. Bye. Thank you for watching. What do you think about the video? Anybody else owns a lens? Well, sorry. Anybody else owns 50mm lens, not just a lens. What do you think about the lens? I would say overall, I really like the lens. Except I really struggled to begin with, I'm not gonna lie. I kept trying to zoom a prime lens. Yeah, that's how silly I was. But I've been using my 24 to 105mm, so just forgive me. After I got past that point, I thought it was really great because it gives such a shallow depth of field. If you are bokeh lovers like me, you would really like this lens. Also, it's really light. I mean, just look. That's how light it is. It's also really cheap. Thank you, and please like and subscribe. Give all the support that you can. We will really appreciate it. And we'll be back very soon. Bye! Oh. I literally just spit. Sorry, my Canon.